Ever wonder what it takes to truly rebuild yourself? Um, Courtney Love recently opened up about a harrowing experience from 2019, um, a time when her health drastically declined and she faced a battle for her life. It's a story of resilience, distrust, and ultimately survival. Love revealed to her Instagram followers that she nearly died, experiencing a severe health crisis that left her incredibly weak. She recalled losing all her hair and weighing a mere 100 pounds. Uh, Doctors warned her of the worst, but she refused to accept their prognosis. This wasn't just a physical struggle. Love connected her refusal to trust medical professionals to a childhood filled with deception. And she described how adults would deliberately mislabel colors, creating a pattern of distrust that followed her into adulthood. She explained that this early experience instilled in her a deep skepticism, making it difficult to accept what others told her, even when it concerned her own health. Um, and it's a fascinating insight into how past trauma can shape present day decisions. Major, um, despite the dire predictions, Love somehow recovered. Uh, um, she's now healthy and looking forward to the future. Um, she shared that her long-awaited new album is finished and really good, a testament to her creative drive and determination. And Love confessed to feeling humbled by the commercial failure of her last album, Nobody's Daughter, but remains passionate about music and eager to tour and perform again. And it's clear that her love for creating is a powerful force in her life. She's been sober for 18 months, a period that coincided with the peak of her health struggles. Uh, and, and this recovery is kind of uh, a testament to her strength and commitment to a healthier lifestyle of being. It's a remarkable story of overcoming adversity, fueled by a refusal to accept defeat and a deep-seated distrust born from childhood experiences. And Love's vulnerability and um, honesty offer a glimpse into the challenges she's faced and the resilience she's demonstrated. Uh, it's funny. Um, you know, Sometimes you feel like your body's falling apart, and you just have to tell it, "Look, I don't care what the doctors say. We're not going to make this work." Um, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.